Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC for independent contractors. First, understand that Form 1099 NEC is used by businesses to report payments of $600 or more to non-employees, like freelancers or independent contractors. This form ensures that the IRS is aware of income earned outside of traditional employment. It's crucial for both the payer and the recipient to understand its purpose for accurate tax reporting. Before you begin filling out Form 1099 NEC, you must gather all necessary information. This includes the independent contractor's full legal name, address, and their taxpayer identification number, usually a social security number or employer identification number. You'll also need the total amount of non-employee compensation paid to them. Double-check all details for accuracy to prevent errors and potential issues with the IRS. Now, let's walk through completing Form 1099 NEC itself. Start by entering your business's name, address, and taxpayer identification number in the Payers section. Then, fill in the independent contractor's details, including their name, address, and TIN, in the recipient section. The most critical step is entering the total non-employee compensation paid in Box 1. Ensure this amount is correct, as it's the primary figure reported. Finally, it's time for filing and distribution. You must send copy of Form 1099 NEC to the IRS and copy B to the independent contractor by the deadline, which is typically January 31st. Remember to keep copy C for your own records. Electronic filing is often the easiest method, offering immediate confirmation and reducing potential errors. Ensure all copies are distributed promptly to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.